In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to filter and sort social media posts by performance. If you're tired of sifting through endless posts and want to focus only on the ones that matter, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find and sort the posts that are driving results. Now, if you've tried various tools, you know that not all of them provide the level of detail you need. But don't worry, I've tested some of the most popular ones, and I'll be showing you exactly how to filter and sort social media posts based on key metrics. You'll get the most accurate insights without wasting any time. Plus, I'm offering an exclusive free trial for the software we'll be using today, so stick with me till the end. Let's start with why filtering and sorting by performance is crucial. It's about focusing on what works and cutting out the noise. Whether you're managing a brand or just keeping track of your personal posts, you need to know which content is resonating with your audience. By filtering your posts, you'll identify trends, see what's getting the most engagement, and refine your strategy. To begin, open up the software and find your post dashboard. The first thing you'll see is the option to filter by different performance metrics, such as likes, comments, shares, or engagement rates. These are the most common, but you can also go deeper if you want to track things like reach or impressions. Once you have the right filters in place, the next step is sorting. Sorting allows you to arrange your posts based on performance, so you can easily compare which ones did best. Choose a metric you care most about, like engagement rate, and sort the posts in descending order. This will give you the posts that got the most engagement at the top, letting you spot patterns easily. If you're not sure which metric to filter by, try focusing on engagement rate. This metric gives you the best overall picture of how your content is resonating with your audience. Likes and comments are great, but engagement rate includes all types of interaction, making it more reliable for performance analysis. Another thing to keep in mind, you can also filter by date range. If you want to focus on your best performing posts from the past month, week, or even year, the software lets you customize that too. This helps you analyze trends over time, which can be crucial for seasonal campaigns or understanding shifts in audience behavior. Don't forget, using filters effectively is only half the battle. Once you have your posts sorted, it's time to analyze. Look for any posts that stand out. Did a certain type of content perform better? Is there a specific time you posted that seemed to generate more engagement? These insights will help you craft better posts in the future. Now, before we wrap up, let me remind you to grab the exclusive free trial for this software from the link in the description below. This trial is only available to viewers of my channel, so take advantage of it while you can. Key takeaway. The main thing you need to remember is that filtering and sorting your social media posts by performance isn't just about tracking metrics. It's about making smarter decisions with your content. Focus on engagement, analyze trends, and keep improving your strategy. So to recap, make sure to filter by key performance metrics, sort your posts by engagement or other relevant stats, and use date ranges to track your progress. And of course, don't forget to grab that exclusive free trial for the software we use today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.